Welcome back to another These Two Girls shorts with your hosts, Cheyenne and
Candy.
all right. So it is the holiday season. Can you believe we're at the end of the year already?
We are at the end of the year.
And I don't know about you, but I like to get together as many times as I can in the holiday season. And last year we were kind of restricted, but we have a new idea, not really new, but wanted to share something that we've done before with you.
We want to introduce you to something that you may not have thought about, but it is something that you can add to your list of holidays to celebrate.
So, have you ever heard of FriendsGiving? Candy, tell us more.
So, Friendsgiving, basically it's a mashup of friend and Thanksgiving, right? It's a time to come together with your closest people, your friends, because when you do Thanksgiving, it's mostly you and your family getting together. But this time you get together with your friends. Right.
Okay.
And and this Friendsgiving also was recently added to the dictionary in January 2020. Can you believe that?
2020.
2020.
Okay.
And we started celebrating Friendsgiving 2019.
Yeah, that was our first one.
Yes,
yeah,
that was the first one, and continued ever since. So, yeah, anything more you want to share on?
So, when do you celebrate Friendsgiving? So, technically, because it's related to Thanksgiving, most people will celebrate like the day before Thanksgiving. They'll be with their friends, and then on Thanksgiving you'll be with your family. But really, you can do it honestly anytime in the month of November.
Exactly.
Around that time, you can get together for your Friendsgiving. So we've done the day before Thanksgiving.
The day before Thanksgiving.
Yeah, and because that's usually more convenient. Everyone has the next day off. You can be up late, whatever the case might be.
And we're up late. So
yeah. That last one was okay. So so for today's short, we just wanted to give you different ideas of how you can celebrate your Friendsgiving this year. So get your paper and start planning, because it's in 2 weeks you're gonna have to do this. Okay.
Yeah.
So
you got it? Your pen, your paper.
Let's go. So what's the first thing?
All right. So one of the things that you can do, you can have a potluck. Gather at a friend's house. The friend that have the space. You know, bring your favorite dish. Your whatever it is that you can cook, and so that's probably a pasta dish, because that's all y'all can cook is pasta.
Okay, don't try them.
I'm joking, but yes, get a dish, bring it, and have a potluck, and just hang out with your friends. Yeah, potluck.
And I think the potluck can stay for all the other things that we're saying, because food should always be involved.
Always.
Right? Yeah. So the other thing you can do is do a friends trip, right? Have you seen people do that? Go on a little trip before Thanksgiving?
So I haven't seen it, but I added it to the list because that's something that I want to do.
Yeah, so that could be your version of Friendsgiving.
And I think
going
it's a
on
cool
a little
idea.
Trip. Yeah. Okay. What's the next thing that we
Next
can do?
one, have a game night. Get your games, Taboo, Uno, Jenga, the little games and the like, play on the video something. PS thing them.
Okay. The PlayStation?
The video games,
You mean video games? Yeah, I mean, video games is not a group activity.
I mean, depending on if it's competitive. Like, you have the guys, and, you get the 4 controllers. Right. Boom.
And as I said, either way, bring some food. Have a potluck incorporated with that.
Make it what you want to make it, game night, right?
The next thing that you can do is do like a beach gathering. We're down for that. Have we done that before? Maybe years ago around Thanksgiving time, when you had your
fire pit. It was like Christmas time.
It was Christmas.
Time.
Okay.
Oh,
but, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll come back with Friend Moss, y'all.
Friend Moss.
Friend Moss.
I don't know how to say that one.
But yes, a beach gathering.
Beach gathering, whether daytime, maybe nighttime might be more in the mood.
Pull out the fire
of,
pit, the marshmallows, make it happen.
Bring some speakers and some music and just vibe.
Music, yes, that's another
and some
one.
Snacks.
Another thing you can do is bond over what you guys like to watch, right? So maybe you're into Game of Thrones. Let's link up and watch it all over again, right? Or your favorite movie. A movie came out, a new Marvel movie.
I don't want to rewatch anything right now.
I'm just saying, again, we're sharing some ideas.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm projecting my feelings.
Jeez.
I apologize.
Yes. So whatever y'all like to watch, if y'all into Marvel movies, whatever's coming out, you know how we can now watch what's on the theater. You can watch it in the comfort of your home.
Right.
You could do that. All right.
Yeah.
What else?
Picnic. Right.
Picnic.
You can go do indoor picnic in your backyard picnic, go out to an actual park, back to the beach again. So, once again, potluck is involved here. Bring food, designate. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Every one of these things should be a potluck when it comes down to it.
So picnic, let's get that happening. Or you guys are still not ready to be outside yet. Okay. Meet up on Zoom. Have a link up at Zoom, see how everybody doing, what's up, what you've been up to. Link up on Zoom especially if your friends live in other areas of the country or the world.
Getty.
Yes. Let's do that.
And then you can have people over to your place for just a kickback.
Just a kickback.
Of course, bring food.
Right.
And then
nothing formal.
And maybe everybody's just chilling and talking and
music,
catching up. Just like
Yeah.
you would do with your family on Thanksgiving.
You don't need a program. You don't need an agenda.
We'll just sit back and catch up. Maybe we haven't seen each other for a while.
Yeah.
Someone's in town.
Yeah,
I think that sounds good.
Or, if all else fails, you don't want to cook, you don't want to bring any food, let's go out, right?
And that's the one that we've done.
And that's
the first one we did.
The first year. This really cool outdoor spot. We linked up, DJ playing.
Yes.
Some drinks, just food.
There was like a food truck there. So whatever your local event space where you can, find other people that are just hanging out. You can get good prices for drinks, a little snacky snack, some vibes. That's all you need.
That's all you need. Vibes, food, drinks, music. Boom, let's do this, right? Yeah. And we'll be doing it this year. So
we are. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Just haven't sent out the message yet.
No invites.
But if y'all know me.
Are we gonna invite them? All of them?
All of them? You guys wanna come? You guys wanna come to our Friendsgiving?
Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway. So that's it. I mean, this year, you see how easy it is to do so many of those things on the list. Pick whichever one, floats your boat. You can plan this in a matter of days. Get your group of friends together. Say, hey,
easy
why don't
peasy.
we come over to my place on Wednesday night. Let's split up some food. We can order in. We can order some pizza, order some wings, and split the cost.
Uber Eats that has those capabilities right now. We can split up. Guys, so many things you can do. Yeah. So many things. So many reasons to just get together, right?
If that's your thing.
That's it. If that's your thing. Or you just want to stay in your house and be
by themselves.
By yourself.
In their solitude. It's okay too. Yeah.
Protect your peace, right? That's what we all about, right? You don't want to be around nobody and give them updates because you're just doing the best that you can. That's fine. But anyway, if you are celebrating Friendsgiving, tell us how you're doing it. Share with us. Tag us. If this is your first year, tell people said these two girls put y'all on. Okay.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
All right. See you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at These2Gurls, on Twitter at These2Gurls Pod. We're on Facebook. We're on TikTok, These2Gurls 954. And yeah, click the button below, share it with your friends, turn the little alarm thing on so you can know when we post.
Definitely.
See you guys next
Thanks
time.
for watching. Bye.
Bye.